Good afternoon, children. Today I am going to teach you all how to draw a city with one point. Bracket perspective, children. A margin, write today's date and topic, a city with one point. Bracket perspective. So children, today we are going to learn perspective. First, draw a line. Then take a center point. With the help of scale also, children, you can take a center point. Even you can fold your paper to get a center point. See, just press here and open. See, children, you will get your center point. Let us draw a point on left side of the center. See, children, and then draw a line with the help of the corner point, children. See, okay, with the help of the corner. See, children, this way. Do the same on right side of the point also. See, from this point, right side, again same you are going to do, children. You have to leave same space and take point this side. See, you can use scale. See, this way. Now again I am using my scale and I am going to match the corner and this point, and I am going to draw a line. See, children. Again mark a point on the line. See, children. And from the corner, leave little space and give a point. Match your point with the scale and draw a line. See, children, leave same space this side also and mark the point. See, draw the point. Okay. Same again here down. See, I got the point over here. See, children, this is how. Let us again draw a point on the line. See, children, from the second point over here. From this point, give little space and draw a point. Join both the points, children, with the scale and draw a line. Do the same on other side. Then keep your scale below the line. By giving some space and draw a line. From here till here. From here till here. From here till here. See, children. Do the same till last. This picture. With the help of this point, draw a slanting line, children. See, keep the scale over here. Draw a slanting line. Do the same on other side, children. Use this point, see. Then draw a straight line with the help of center point. Keep your scale on center point. Move your scale little towards left. See, children. Holding your scale, give points as I am showing. See, children. You can see this point. It is exactly on line. Okay. So just even you show the second point exactly on the line, leaving little space. Again repeat, your children. See. Okay. Join this line. See, children. See, children. Now you have seen how to draw a road with the help of center point, children. The same method I am going to use to draw buildings, trees, bushes and sun. So just see the points which I show and keep on drawing till the last. With this 2 point, I'm going to show how to draw sun, children. Sun is going to come, see, behind the trees and behind the buildings. Now see how. So you don't have to draw completely from inside. You can start from here. Draw the semicircle. See, so it joins this 2 point, okay children? But I am not coming here because it is behind. This should be seen. See, children. Center point should be here. You're just keeping on twisting your scale. See, children. Same this side. Draw the windows. After drawing this windows, children, now the left side windows will go into perspective. Now let us see how to do it. Okay, see, with the help of this point, children, see. Okay, so this is a straight line, so this will come here, but this point will match here, see, this way. Again this point, see children, this way. Okay, now rest again I am showing here also in this building. See carefully children, see, with the help of this point and center point, children, see. First then from this point again center point. Okay, now join these two points. See, this way. Same we are going to do with this building also, children. Over here also same technique you are going to use. See children. After finishing your drawing, children, you all can outline it with sketch pen. While outlining your picture, remember you have to erase unwanted line also. So keep it in your mind while outlining, children. Okay? After outlining, children, now I am going to erase the unwanted lines. See, unwanted lines are these. See, where I have not done the outlining. You can see the center line. See your Okay, see this line. These are all the extra lines, okay children, which I have not done outline. Now what I am going to do is I am going to erase those lines. After erasing the unwanted lines, you can color your drawing with attractive colors. Thank you.